FICO Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the FICO Credit Score Tool, a trusted solution for understanding and improving your credit score. Links to the product are provided in the description for your convenience. In this video, I'll explain its features, who it's designed for, and why it's a must-have tool for anyone serious about managing their credit. The FICO Credit Score Tool is a comprehensive platform that provides users with accurate, real-time insights into their credit standing. It offers access to your FICO score, which is the most widely used credit score model by lenders. With this tool, you can view your credit score along with a detailed breakdown of the factors influencing it, such as payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit accounts, and recent credit inquiries. One standout feature of the FICO Credit Score Tool is its predictive simulator. This tool allows you to see how different financial actions, like paying down debt, opening new accounts, or missing a payment, might affect your score. It's an invaluable feature for planning major financial decisions, such as applying for a loan or refinancing a mortgage. The platform also offers identity theft monitoring and alerts, ensuring your credit remains secure. If any suspicious activity is detected, you're notified immediately, allowing you to take swift action. Additionally, the tool provides personalized recommendations for improving your credit score, making it more than just a reporting system. It's a proactive credit improvement partner. This tool is ideal for individuals aiming to monitor their credit closely, whether to qualify for better loan terms, prepare for significant purchases, or simply maintain a strong financial profile. It's especially beneficial for those who want to understand how their financial habits impact their credit and need expert guidance to improve it. In conclusion, the FICO Credit Score Tool is a reliable, feature-packed resource for managing and improving your credit score. With its detailed reports, predictive simulator, and identity theft protection, it's perfect for anyone looking to take control of their credit. For more details or to get started, check out the links in the description. Take charge of your financial health today with the FICO Credit Score Tool.